Hey guys, it's Melissa. We are going to get the xTool new heat press. This is the 3-in-1 xTool Smart Heat Press set up. So it comes disassembled and you'll just need to assemble it. So first thing is you're going to start with the large base and find the two legs. They kind of extend out and you're going to use the 12mm screws to screw those in. So you'll need 4 of them, or you'll need 2 of them, one for each leg, and just use the Allen wrench. There's 2 Allen wrenches that come with it, so just use one of those, the smaller of the 2, to screw in these screws so that the legs are secure. And this is just going to keep the heat press really secure when it is down on the tabletop when you're using it. All right, so once you do that, flip that over. You're going to find the arm piece, which has 2 holes in that silver piece there. Those 2 holes need to line up with the holes in the base, and then you'll use 2 more screws through the back to screw in and secure that. And again, you're going to use the included Allen wrench to do that as well. Next thing that you're going to do once you get the arm in there is to flip the heat press base that you have assembled, flip that upright. Now, this piece that comes down when you compress the arm here is what is going to apply pressure, and that is the piece that is going to be removable. So you need to add a plate to the top platen itself. So on the platen, there's this middle square that you just use your finger to pop out. It's magnetic. And then you've got this black plate here that is going to screw in with 4 16mm or 18mm screws. Now, I will tell you that the 4 screws have washers on there, and I had some trouble at first because the washers were preventing the screws from fully falling down into to reach the threaded part of the hole in the base. So just make sure that you press really hard so that when you're screwing it in, you get the screw to go completely down. So you're going to screw all 4 of those in to attach this black plate. See how that was just flipping around? That was because I was having a lot of trouble there, and then I was able to get it once I used a whole bunch of pressure. I do think that xTool actually changed this to include 18mm screws as opposed to 16 in this one that I got. Okay, so you're going to screw all of that in, and then flip it around so that you have the power outlet, and just plug the power cord in. You want to do this before you put the top platen, before you slide it onto the arm. It just the base of the arm kind of gets in the way otherwise. So plug that in, and then you've got this small gray like USB key, and you need that. That is actually what's going to allow you to pair the control panel wirelessly. So plug that in, and we'll set that up in a separate video, but that little gray piece needs to go in. And then from there, you are able to attach the top platen to the arm. So you can use this handheld, obviously, or you can slide it in onto the heat press itself and use it as a swing away heat press, which is going to give you improved pressure, more than you could probably get from using, manually holding it down. Now, I will tell you, this heat press can be used for heat transfer vinyl. It can be used for sublimation. It can be used for printable heat transfer. The temperature goes up to at least 400 degrees, which makes it really versatile. Okay, so once you have it all attached there, pull the cord around and just snap it into this little guide here, which is going to keep the cord out of the way. And then you've got a full rotation on this, which is great. So you can pull everything out of the way while you're working to prevent yourself from, accidentally hitting the top platen. Of course, you can also easily slide it on and off. So super versatile heat press at a really good price. It also comes with a small handheld press that is great for small things like stuffed animals or shoes or hats, different things that a regular heat press wouldn't be able to reach. So everything, all of the links, description, everything, or all of the links and information on how to order are in the description below. See you guys.